Now we're gonna mix all the ingredients together. We're gonna start with the 3.5 cups of flour. I'm gonna pour them in. Then I'm gonna make a little bit, I'm gonna make a little hole as I did before and pour the yeast inside. And I'm gonna take the baking powder, the 1.5 teaspoon baking powder, and actually I'm gonna mix everything together with the flour. Then we're going to take the margarine. The margarine, it's very important that it will be in a room temperature, otherwise it's very hard to work with. 300 grams of margarine. And we're going to first mix this together. Kind of mushing it all together, and then it's going to be easier when I add the water. It's going to be easier when I add the water to mix it all together. As you can see, the ingredients without the water become a little bit it's flaky, but it's an oily flaky, that if you try to put it together, it's gonna get together, but it's I don't want it to be to become doughy yet. I want the margarine to be spread out equally in the dough. So I'm just kind of grinding it, mixing it like this, you can see.